Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a quick and easy summer design on our nails. I'm going to be using some nail polish that Nail Reserve sent out to me. Now, Nail Reserve sent me this pink, which is the one that I used, of course. It's called Electric Pink. It's very hot pink for summer. I love. They have Kiss and Tell, which is a baby powder blue. They have Sea, Swing, and Sun, which is a really nice neutral color. They also have Love Fling, which is a nice medium blue shade, I would say. They also sent me the base and the No White top coat. I love this top coat. This top coat is amazing. I only had to use one coat over top of my stickers, so that was nice. They were nice and sealed and it wasn't lumped up or anything, so I enjoyed the top coat a lot. So I'm going to have everything linked below in the description box for you guys. The nail stickers, the nail tip and glue set that I used. Also, I'm going to have Nail Reserve's website linked below, so if you wanted to check out their polishes, they have a ton of different colors that you can choose from. So they also gave me a discount code for you guys. So if you order 2 or more polishes at regular price, you can use code Michelle50 and get 50% off your purchase. So that's a nice discount code. I'm super excited. Usually you only get like a 10% off discount code, but this one gives you 50% off. I was like, okay, I like that. That's really nice. I love this polish. They are also vegan and cruelty free, which we love. But if you've been hanging out with me, you know that I love to do my nails. I do my nails quite often on my channel. So I was super happy to try out this polish. And I tried it out about 3 days ago just to make sure that it's not going to have any problems with chipping or anything. And it doesn't have any problems with chipping. So that's always nice. I hate when you spend money on a gel polish and you wear it for a couple days and it starts chipping, because like that's the whole point of spending the money on gel polish, is so that it lasts longer than regular polish. So yeah, this polish is really nice. I love that they all have the little tops that has the color on there, because a lot of polishes do not have this. I love that the sticker that goes around the bottle as well as the top of the bottle is the actual color that you get. It's a thicker formula. It's not too thick to where it's hard to work with. Like, I hate it when you get a gel polish and it looks like it's going to be this color and then it takes you 4 coats to get there. But this one does not. I only had to use 2 coats of it to achieve the actual color, which was really nice. So I just wanted to say thank you so much to Nail Reserve for sending out this polish. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and get into the portion where I use this polish. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. And the first thing I'm going to start with is the Nail Reserve base. I'm just going to apply a thin coat of base. And then I'm going to cure. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Nail Reserve polish in Electric Pink, and I'm going to do 2 coats. And just make sure that you have a brush and fingernail polish remover, so that way you can get any polish that gets on your skin off before you cure the polish. And then I'm gonna cure. So before I add the stickers, I'm going to take and I'm going to do one coat of the No white top coat just to seal the pink in before I add a sticker to it. Okay, so now I'm just going to take these little blue flowers and stick on the corners for a fun little summer design. It's quick, it's easy. I love blue and pink together. I think these stickers are so cute. These little stickers I got off of Amazon, so I will have them linked below for you guys. And now I'm just going to put another clear coat on top. And cure. Okay, so now I'm just going to take my favorite cuticle oil and put on. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed set. I loved how they turned out. I think that they look super cute and summery. The polish went on so nicely. I really enjoyed using that nail polish. And the top coat is really nice. It's sealed and the sticker's amazing. So if you guys have any questions or anything, don't hesitate to ask me down in the comment section. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!